How to repair lens problems on your digital camera. 1. Take out the battery and memory card. A common trick with most devices, including cameras and cell phones, is to disconnect the power for a few minutes. This allows your device to reset. If the lens problem is due to an issue with the software, taking out the battery and memory card for 15 minutes may remove a lens error pop-up. 2. Smack the side of the camera. Although it may seem like an act of last-ditch frustration more than a helpful repair technique, some people have reported having success with slapping the side of their camera with the palm of their hand. If the camera's issue is that the lens house is stuck, the force of a smack may loosen the camera's insides, solving the problem for you. Using the side of a pencil to tap the camera barrel works too, if you're worried the force of your hand might damage the camera further. 3. Clean the lens barrel. A compressed air spray duster can get into the cracks of your camera's lens barrel and clear out the built-up gunk. Spray it evenly in the cracks, and anywhere else on your model you think excess dust may have built up. Power off and restart your phone to check and see if this technique worked at all. 4. Plug in the Avenue cable. It may be that your cameras simply need an added boost of energy to deal with dust particles clogging the lens. Plugging in your cable for 5 minutes will give your camera extra energy. If this is the case, your camera should be fine within a few minutes. 5. Adjust the lens housing manually. Sometimes, the problem with your camera may be mechanical. If the lens won't extend, only extends partially, or extends and then retracts again, then gently moving the lens barrel around may help to unstick it. You can gently push or pull on the lens, which may be enough to loosen whatever is causing it to stick. If the lens won't extend even a little, turn on the camera and then tap the front of the camera against a cupped hand. You should hear a click as your lens barrels pops back in place. 6. Force an autofocus. When digital cameras extend their barrel, they will attempt to autofocus themselves. This may help fix whatever problem your camera is having. Hold down the shutter button to begin moving the barrel. While you have the shutter button held down, press the power button. It helps to plant the camera on a flat surface, with the lens facing up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.